Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and this is episode 2 of the dreaded shed move. It's a bit of one-to-one building, namely moving my shed across to the other side of the garden, to here. Firstly, a huge thanks to Gary, Andy and Lisa for the help. We could never have got it done without them. Cheers folks. As you can see, we've got all the slabs down, nice and level, so we're going to take up the base and move that first. So, without further ado, let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on! That big handful of grass there is a visitor we found under the base, a hedgehog. So we moved him over to the other side of the shed and Lisa decided to build him a little house. So he went to sleep in a 1-bedroom flat and woke up in a 6-bedroom mansion, lucky bastard. There's that done, now for the back wall. Next up we have the far side wall. So, after much standing around and chatting, we thought, yeah, it might be a good idea to get the front in. So, here we go with that. Well, this bloke here decided to break the boards, so we popped a bit of stuff over them just to protect it and carried on with the door side now. Well, after a quick drinks break, There we have all 4 sides up. Now for the roof. I'm also going to be putting a plastic liner under the roof as I'm sick of bloody leaks. So as we put the roof on, we'll be putting this liner up too. So here we go with the roof and the liner. There we go, one shed up, screwed together, and trust me, that liner is working a treat. It does help that I put a new bit of felt straight down the middle and also waterproofed it, a grand job. So once again, thank you to those that helped, Gary, Andy and Lisa. You made a hard job dead easy, and that roof was not light. Anywho, thank you for watching. Come back next week to watch the longest section, putting the insides back together and how it looks. It's taken me 3 weeks. But don't worry, the sub will be back soon. So stay safe, keep on modelling.